Candace here again. I just wanted to do a follow-up video to let you know how the jellies I made turned out. I can link my video that I made last time in the description, but I was working on making Nanking jelly from the Nanking cherries that I found in my yard. And here is one of the little jars that I made. The cherry jelly turned out a little bit more syrupy because I used a regular pectin and I used less sugar. So when I found out that they actually sell a pectin that you can use less sugar, I went out and found this Bernardin brand, no sugar needed, and I actually had to remake the jelly last time. So I took the Nanking cherry jelly out of the jars that I had put them in the first time, and I reheated it up with the new pectin, and I didn't need to add any more sugar. It actually gelled really well. You can kind of see how it moves a little bit there, but it's not syrupy. It's actually like jam or jelly. So I'm happy with it, and I'm happy that I didn't have to use extra sugar in the recipe. Lots of those jelly and jam recipes say that you have to use more sugar than what you use for the fruit juice. So I just don't want to add that much sugar into my recipes. So I went out and got the new pectin that works better. And yesterday again, I went crab apple picking with my friend Maria, and we found crab apples at her aunt's property, and I found quite a few, so I thought I would try the same thing with the crab apples. So I stewed the crab apples down like I did the Nanking cherries, and I let it cool, and then I put it through cheesecloth to sieve all of the seeds and things out of the apples. And mine's not too clear because I squeezed the pulp into the jelly, but that's okay with me. I don't mind. It's a kind of a little bit of a thicker jelly, but I used the no sugar needed pectin for this, and really it's gelled up really nicely. So that's really good. This summer, I also found Saskatoon berries. We live in Saskatchewan, Canada, and on the prairies here in Canada, there's a berry called Saskatoon, and I found quite a few Saskatoons just in the valley while I was hiking, and so I picked some, and I did the same thing with the Saskatoons. I kind of made a little bit of a syrup. I didn't use the no sugar needed pectin, so you can see it's kind of more syrupy than the other jellies. But I actually used some Saskatoons and put them in a cupcake batter, and I made Saskatoon cupcakes the other day. One last recipe that I made was strawberries. I had strawberries from the store that I needed to use up, and I tried it the same way as I did the Nanking cherry recipe the first time. You can see that's not jelly, it's syrup. So you can see in comparing all of these different recipes I tried that if you want to go with less sugar in your mix, then you should get some no sugar needed pectin. I know that in Canada we have this brand Bernardin, but in America they have the Ball brand, and the Ball brand carries this kind of pectin as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video today, and I hope it's helpful for any of you who are looking into making jelly and making jelly with less sugar. So I'll see you next time.